Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 15. We are going to present the Environmental Impact Assessment for tambak laut seluas 300 ekar di Pekan Kelebang. Here are the group members. Classifications of prescribed activities. The proposed project categorized as a prescribed activities under environmental quality. Prescribed activities Environmental Impact Assessment Order 2015, and it falls under the second schedule, Activity 7, which is land reclamations. The coastline reclamation project involving 5 hectares or more is required to undergo a comprehensive environmental impact assessment due to its potential environmental and socio-economic effect. For project location, the project site is located at the west coast of Melaka in Pekan Kelebang, embracing the foreshore of the sea approximately 500 meters from Pulau Upeh. It is located in Melaka Tengah District. The depth in the area is approximately 4 to 20 meters.
This slide shows the sensitive receptors where it consists of 55 locations and it is included with the existing residential areas, school, worship houses, industrial areas and public facilities. For example, Pulau Upeh. Pulau Upeh is a small island off the coast of Melaka. It is located 500 meters from the project site. Pulau Upeh is an important island for hawksbill turtles landing area. A turtle sanctuary is set up on the island to monitor to protect the nesting ground. The island is considered as a tourist area with a resort was developed on the island. However, the current site, the survey to Pulau Upeh showed that the resort was abandoned.
In this slide, we are going to talk about the ecological importance of mangrove and seagrass. For the mangrove have been found in 2 different locations, which is Sungai Duyung and Jetty Muara Sungai Kelebang. Mangrove serve as critical nursery ground for a variety of marine species, stabilize coastal sediment, reducing erosion and protecting the shoreline. It is also act as natural buffer against the storm and filter pollution from water, which help to maintain water quality and clarity. For the seagrass also have been found in 2 different locations, which is the Tanjung Tuan and Pulau Besar. And from the previous study has shows that Pulau Besar has Thalassia hemprichi. The seagrass meadow provide a habitat and shelter for a wide variety of marine organisms, improve water quality and stabilize seabed. Next, ecological importance of corals and turtle. For the coral, some coral species were being identified in Pulau Upeh. According to the scuba diving survey, 1 species of Gorgonian coral and 2 species of hard coral have been identified. Coral reef offer marine organisms including fish species that are commercially harvested, food, habitat, breeding site and nurseries. For the turtle, hawksbill turtle has landing record in Pulau Upeh. Hawksbill contribute to the coral reef health maintenance. They improve reef fish access to food by clearing sponge and other prey off the reef surface. In this slide, we are going to talk about the socio-economic importance of fishing area, tourism, and job creations. For the fishing area, beach and coastal region sustain local fisheries, giving fishing communities access to food and revenues. For the tourism, with 1 million of tourists each year, beaches are popular tourist destinations. Local economies profit greatly from tourists in the form of logging, food, entertainment, and leisure activity. And lastly, for job creation, hotel, restaurant, travel agency, and tour company, and retail establishments all employ a large number of people due to the beachside tourism sector. Local jobs and means of subsistence are supported by this.
During the assessment, they discovered several potential impacts toward the environment and social. So one of it is changes in water quality that caused by increased sedimentation. It also affect the air by increase the air pollutants and also cause noise pollution due to the increased noise from reclamation site. Due to the increase in water turbidity by the project, it caused disturbance to the coral habitat, and it also reduced the food source of macrobenthos, and this happened due to the loss of habitat that caused by implementation of the project. And lastly, impacts toward the environment is the impact on number of turtle landing at Pulau Upeh, and this happened due to the exposure to light and increase in noise level. As for impacts toward the social, there are positive and negative impacts. So for positive impacts, first is increased number of foreign workers, second is increased income from local business, and also increase in property values. As for negative impacts toward the social, the local fishermen lost income and also reduced the aesthetic values of the surrounding.
This slide appears to be discussing additional environmental protection measures and environmental management plans that should be implemented, specifically addressing air quality and water quality concerns. For air quality, it mentions that fossil fuels used for energy production lead to pollutants like particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, and sulfur oxides. It suggests that reducing power generation from fossil fuels and increasing renewable energy sources can provide health benefits by reducing these local air pollutants. For water quality, it recommends limiting clearing and grading activities near water bodies using low-impact equipment, proper construction phasing and sequencing, and scheduling measured disturbance during dry seasons. These measures aim to minimize water pollution and damage to protected areas from construction site runoff and activities. This slide discusses two additional environmental protection measures and management plans, which is noise level and waste management. For noise level, it mentions that construction activities like excavation, bulldozing, and pile driving generate significant noises, especially in urban areas or near highways and airports. Potential mitigation measures highlighted include using noise reduction materials and designs, installing physical barriers like sound walls, and providing guidelines for noise management at public events and recreational sites. Regarding waste management, the focus is on thermoset plastics, which are polymers that solidify when heated and are commonly used in construction materials, adhesive, and coatings. The slide notes that improper disposal of these plastic in landfills can lead to soil decay and endanger domestic animals. It suggests recycling technologies like mechanical combination to reduce dimension, chemical breakdown into components, and thermal degradation to reduce plastic and energy waste.
In this slide shows the justification for improving environmental management. There are three justifications provided: resource efficiency, pollution reductions, and economic benefit. First one, for the resource efficiency. By improved environmental management technique, result in less waste, more effective use of raw materials, and preservation of natural resources. In production processes, this is crucial for sustainability. The second one, pollution reduction. By optimizing environmental management practices, reduce the amount of hazardous material released during productions. As a result, pollution levels in the air, water, and soil decrease, improving the environment and general public health. The last one, economic benefit. By enhancing environmental management has a substantial financial benefit. This includes a reduction in waste, cost saving from more economical resource uses, and possible income from recycling and environmentally friendly product development. Here are the reference. And that's all from us. Thank you.